n minus 5, we will get 5 into 10 minus 5, we will get 5. 5 into 5, we will get 25. This answer is wrong because it does not follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, parentheses have higher priority, then exponential, then multiplication and division have the same priority, then addition and subtraction have same priority. So, according to PEMDAS rule, multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So, we have to calculate the multiplication first. 5 into 10, we will get 50. 10 minus 50, we will get minus 40. Minus 5 is equal to minus 45. This is the right answer.